Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant notifications every time someone comments on your Facebook page, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to quickly disable comment notifications for your Facebook page using your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on Facebook, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, select the page you want to manage. If you manage multiple pages, make sure you're choosing the correct one. After selecting your page, you'll see your page's profile photo appear. Click on it to enter your page. Now that you're on your page, it's time to dive into the settings. Look for the menu on the left side and find Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and then select Settings from the next menu that appears. Inside the Settings section, scroll down until you see Notifications. Click on it to open your notification preferences. Within the Notifications menu, find and click on Comments. This section controls all the notifications you receive when someone comments on your posts. Here's the important part. You'll see an option labeled Push. This is what sends notifications to your device whenever there's a new comment. To stop receiving these alerts, simply toggle off the Push option, and that's it. You've successfully disabled comment notifications for your Facebook page. Now, you can focus on what matters most without being interrupted by constant alerts. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just follow the same steps and toggle Push Back On. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.